If you work in Microsoft Word, knowing how to align text properly can make your documents look cleaner, more professional, and much easier to read. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to align text in Microsoft Word using the built-in options on the Home tab. We'll cover Align Left, Center, Align Right, and Justify. So whether you're formatting a report, a letter, an assignment, or a document for work, you'll be able to make it look polished in just a few seconds. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Microsoft Word tips just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your Microsoft Word document and highlight the text you want to format. You can select a single sentence, a full paragraph, or even multiple paragraphs depending on what you want to align. Once your text is highlighted, go to the Home tab at the top of Word. In the Home tab, look for the paragraph group. This is where all of the main alignment controls are located. If you want your text to start from the left side of the page, click Align Left. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+L on Windows. This is the most common alignment option and is usually used for standard body text. If you want the text centered on the page, click Center. You can also use Ctrl+E as the shortcut. Center alignment is great for titles, headings, and short lines of text where you want a balanced look. If you want the text pushed to the right side of the page, click Align Right. The shortcut for this is Ctrl+R. This is often used for signatures, dates, or specific layout styles. And if you want your paragraph to line up neatly on both the left and right sides, choose Justify. You can use Ctrl+J for this. Justify alignment makes your text look more even across the page and is commonly used in formal documents. Remember, these alignment options only change the text you've selected, so make sure you highlight the correct part before clicking anything. If you only want to format one paragraph, place your cursor inside that paragraph and then choose the alignment option you want. Word will apply it right away. A quick tip here. If you're formatting an entire document, you can use Select All first and then apply the alignment you want across everything at once. That can save you a lot of time. Another helpful thing to know is that you can switch alignment styles anytime. So if you start with left-aligned text and later decide you want a different look, just select the text again and choose a new option from the paragraph group. It's fast, simple, and completely reversible. So to recap, highlight your text, go to the Home tab, find the paragraph group, and choose Align Left, Center, Align Right, or Justify, depending on the style you need. That's all it takes to align text in Microsoft Word like a pro. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Microsoft Word tutorials, productivity tips, and beginner-friendly how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.